Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use GitHub Desktop from scratch. From downloading GitHub Desktop to creating repositories, committing code, pushing to GitHub, and working with branches like professional developers. This video is perfect for beginners, students, and fresh developers. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser and search for GitHub Desktop. Navigate to the first link, then download for your system. If you use Windows, download from here. If you are a Mac user, so download it from here. I have already downloaded this desktop item. Make sure you download it only from the official GitHub website. After installing the GitHub desktop.exe file, once the installation is completed, open GitHub Desktop. If you already have a GitHub account, click on Sign in to GitHub and authorize yourself. Over here, I already have one, so I'm signing out. So from here, you can sign into github.com, continue with browser. Then I use Edge. So like this, you can authorize your GitHub account with GitHub Desktop. Continue and click on authorize to desktop and open your GitHub Desktop. So here you are sign in using your browser. If you don't have a GitHub account, first click on sign up, go to GitHub account over here. Get yourself registered and get log into your GitHub account. Okay, or you can directly continue it with Google. Now moving forward, let's create a repository and work on it. Go to file section, then click on control N or click on the create new repository. Give a name to your repository. Okay. Desktop. Damn. In description, you can write anything. And you can browse yourself where you have to keep this repository. I'm keeping it on desktop, selecting the folder and creating the repository. As soon as you create it, a project folder is created on your local system like this. So now this is my whole repository over here in my local system. Now open this project on your VS Code like this. Inside this folder, I will create a simple file and I'm writing this file as a trial.txt. Or I can write any kind of code like index.html. And here's my boilerplate. And over here in my body, writing h1. Okay, else get a desktop video. Okay. And if I click on this, go live, you can see my code is working too. Here it's GitHub Desktop video demo. Instead of this, I should write demo too. And over here, the demo is there. Now let's save this file. Okay. Now all these files are my saved. And if you can see, this GitHub Desktop contains my index file and this trial.txt file too. Okay. Now what I will be doing, I can using this GitHub Desktop, I can see how many files I have created, how much code I have written till now. So the text in the txt file I can see it, and the code which I wrote I can see on this too. Now like commit or push this changes to my repository get desktop.demo. So over here I will be committing all the things. If I commit it from here, so you can see from here I have right now committed all the things. But right now I haven't published my repository on my GitHub account. So first I have to publish this repository. Yeah, cool. I'm publishing this repository. And after this, well, a repository has been published, and along with this repository, my all the changes have been gone. I will be going again to my VS Code. I will add one more file. Main.html. You can write this is my boilerplate, and over here H1. I'll be adding this is my another file for demo. If you go back to GitHub Desktop, you can see another file which I have created. And if you click on this history, you will see that on your previous commit, Git Desktop committing, which we have committed 2 minutes earlier. So these two files were committed and published to the repository on your GitHub. If I go to my GitHub account, I can see the repository. From here, I will be navigating to repositories, and this is my repository which I have made from GitHub Desktop. So if you go inside this, you can see the index.html and trial.txt file. Okay, and if I go over here, I have one more file that's called main.html. It is not pushed to the repository yet. That's why it's not showing main.html file over here. I'm going to push this file again on my same repository. So this I'm committing the file. From here, I have to push it on my origin like this. And my main.html file is pushed to the GitHub repository over here. Right now, it's still showing index.html trail.txt. As soon as I refresh it, it will display main.html also. As you can see, index.html and trial.txt was committed 4 minutes ago, and main.html is just committed right now. So this is how we push our codes or any file using desktop, GitHub Desktop. If you want to work on a different branch. You don't want to use this main branch. You can directly click on new branch, name it demo branch, and you can create it directly. And then if I go to main on my account, GitHub account, and see the branches, right now I'm not able to see any branch. As soon as I publish this branch, so after refreshing, I have one more branch called demo branch. I have two branches over here. One is the main branch and another is the demo branch. And now any changes which I make, suppose I make another file, trial.html, and I again do something like this, and in body h1, this is my trial branch. Okay, now this branch with along with all the code which I have in this, okay, will move to demo branch. Now I will be committing it data, sorry, demo branch. I will commit it. Now pushing to origin. As soon as this branch is pushed to the get desktop demo repository, it will move to the demo branch. Okay, so this branch has been pushed. Now, if I go to my GitHub account over here, if I go to the code section, then if you see over here on the main branch, I don't have my new branch that which I just pushed right now. That is my trial.html. So right now it does not show over here. If I move or change my demo, if I move to my demo branch, you will see that trial.html branch or the my new file is over here on my new demo branch. Okay, let's do one more thing. Like let's make another branch, and I'm creating another branch, another branch. Okay, I'm creating another branch, and we'll make some new changes, make two or more files over here, and use this branch over here, and push all the changed branch or new branches, new files over to this branch. I will be going into this file and creating new file. Okay. New.html. Oh, and one more file I will be creating. New trial.html. Enter some code over here or some boilerplate. Okay. Cool. Now, what I am doing is moving all these two new changes to my another branch. Committing another branch. Okay. Now I'm pushing my original branch. Now I have pushed all my files to another branch. Okay. So right now, if I refresh it, still it won't, all the new files won't be showing on the demo branch. It will show on the another branches on another branch. If I go to another branch, I will see two new trial branches. Okay. Now, if what I want that these two branches should be moved to this my demo branch, what I can do is I can create a pull request. What I can do is these two file, I want these two files to be shared with this branch. So what I can do is I can create a pull request. So for that, I have to go to pull request, or I can do a pull request from GitHub Desktop. Pull over here. I want to merge this another branch with my base branch, demo branch. So all the things which will be on another branch will be going to demo branch. So from here, I am creating a pull request, and on my over here, I'm copying it down and pasting on my H. Okay. So committing another branch. So over here, all the another branches data will be shifted to my demo branch. I am creating a pull request. So over here, checking it's the GitHub is checking the ability to merge it automatically. So if it is like good to go, it will give me a merge pull request. Let's see what's happening there. Hmm. From here, merge pull request has been generated. Now I'm confirming the merge. So all the changes will be done. Now over here, as you can see the notice or the message that pull request successfully merged and closed. So if I go to code and I go to demo branch, now this demo branch also contains this new HTML and new trial.html file. So this is how we can like merge two branches using GitHub Desktop. Okay. Now there's one more thing that we have to see using this GitHub Desktop, that is this history panel. In this history panel, we can always see like what changes we did and on which step. Okay. This history panel always track all the changes which we have made till now. Okay. So the final summary or the that we learned today is how to download the GitHub Desktop, how to create repositories, how we committed the changes, how we pushed the files into GitHub using GitHub Desktop. Then also we have created the branches and merged all the branches. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.